Hello, my name is Mr. Paul Homer. I've been teaching at the Prep for 31 years, and I'd like to speak to you now in my capacity as the director of the school's Christian Service program. You've probably gathered from our website and literature that service is an important part of the Fordham Prep experience. And that's because we are rooted in a Jesuit tradition that started schools way back in the 16th century as a way to send more and more of the best and brightest into the world to change it for the greater glory of God. At Fordham Prep, we talk about our commitment to faith, scholarship, and service. Service is not just an extracurricular or a nice thing we do on occasion. It's at the heart of our mission. And for that reason, in each of our students' 4 years, they have a service requirement to complete. Our freshmen, through their mentor groups, are called to carry out projects focused on charity, providing material relief to our neighbors, to local, national, and international organizations. Our sophomores, through their mentor groups, are called to promote justice in light of Catholic social teaching. Our juniors take on a 15-hour individual requirement focused primarily on needs within the school, but also our surrounding neighborhood. The 4-year requirement culminates in senior year with a 70-hour project at partner agencies that care for our brothers and sisters who have remarkable needs. In addition, students have the opportunity to travel to serve, including to places in Tennessee, where we work with Habitat for Humanity, and to Ecuador, where we partner with the Working Family Center, run by a Jesuit who graduated from Fordham Prep. I hope that provides you with at least a general overview of our service program, our mission, our activities, and why we carry them out. Obviously, the pandemic has forced us to adapt the requirements in certain ways, but service is no less integral to our work here. I look forward to speaking with you further about the service requirement, and we'll pray that your discernment process in the high school search goes well. Thank you.